Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing another product. This time I am with the Kogan Smarter Home Smart Doorbell 2 Pro. This is a wireless doorbell with the video facility. You can see the view on Alexa, and also the reason I purchased this, they have a good feature which is saying that you have to charge the bell once in a 3 months time if you are using 10 bells a day, so which is a quite a good. So let's see, and they are also claiming quite a good other features. So I will show you what's inside the box and other cool features. And if you like my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the user guide, and as you can see the image of this bell. So this was pretty much inside the box. I will show you with the close-up. So this is the user guide for this Kogan wireless doorbell, and this is the ringer, and you can see this is having a USB point, and they have provided a USB wall adapter, so you can put it like this. And plus they have put up given some screw also for the wall if you want to use that for the bell. And there are some 3M tapes also if you want to attach with the tapes. And plus they have provided this is the doorbell, so which will combine like this, it will join. And this is the upper part is having a camera. So this is the doorbell, you have to press that. And this is the bottom part, and this is the charging cable for the doorbell. And they are claiming that you have to charge only once in a 3 months time, which is pretty good. And let's see. And moreover the bell can be attached to Alexa, so then that way you can see who is the viewer. Plus on the smart app also you can see who is at home, so which is looks like a pretty good bell. So I will show you the performance also. In the bell, the upper part is on the left is a camera, and you can see this is the mic, and this is the ring button when you press. And as you can see this one, there is a micro SD card slot, and it can support up to 128 GB micro SD card. And this is if you want to attach to the power, so that is the one. And on the other part, this will join that with the bell. As you can see, both this part will join. And on the bottom is a charging, so if you need to charge, you can charge from the bottom also. So I have joined both the parts. So there is a blue light and also red light showing that the battery is low. So this is the one, so you can press that. As you can see, the ringer is not attached. So I have now attached this ringer on the power board. And so if you press this, I will show you. So now the bell is connected with the Amazon Alexa. So let me press that. So you can see the view. So there is some time lag around 3 seconds, I
Someone is
think.
at the Kazoo
See,
Boutique.
it is saying waiting for Kogan Smart Home. See, as you can see that the image is there. You can see my image. So that is how it is.